So today we're going to do a waterfall braid. It's pretty easy if you already know how to braid regularly. So you get your 3 pieces of hair and you cross this one up and that one down. So you have that. And then you cross this one over and this piece you just let go. And it's kind of like a variation on a French braid, and then you pull out another piece from the bottom. And then you pull out a piece from the top to go with this next part here. Always make sure you detangle the hair first. So then you braid it like you regularly would, and again you let the one piece go. So you just want to make sure to do this the entire way around, but I'm just going to do a half because it takes a while. And you can kind of see at the front how all the pieces from the braid earlier are hanging down. So then, when you want to finish it, you just do a regular braid. You braid it down as far as you want it, and then you put a hair tie in. So then to clean it up a little bit, just pull down gently on each of the strands that's hanging down at the bottom. And that's how to do a waterfall braid.